Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we discussed 96 questions about largest in the world. Before starting the video, I will request you please subscribe my channel for the more informative video. Let's start to the topic. Largest continent in the world is Asia. The second question, largest country area-wise is Russia. Third question, country population wise, China 1 billion 37 crore. Fourth question, city area wise, New York, USA. Largest city population wise, Tokyo, Japan. Largest airport is King Fahad International Airport, Saudi Arabia. Largest animal is blue bottom whale. Largest bird is ostrich. Largest bay is Hudson Bay, Canada. Largest mosque, Masjid al-Haram, Saudi Arabia, 40 lakh capacity. Largest churches, Basilica of St. Petra and Vatican City, Rome. Largest temple, Angkor, Cambodia. Largest delta in the world, Sundarban, India. Largest desert in the world, Sahara, North Africa. Largest dam, Grand Gully Dam, USA. Largest Gulf, Gulf of Mexico. Largest hotel in the world, Excalibur Hotel, Las Vegas, USA. Largest island is Greenland. Largest lake, Caspian Lake. Largest library in the world, United States Library of Congress, Washington. Mountain range largest, Andes, South America. Largest minaret, Sultan Hassan Mosque, Egypt. Largest palace in the world, Imperial Palace, China. Largest park, National Park of Northeastern Greenland. Largest peninsula, Arabia. Largest sea in the world, South China Sea. Largest seabird, albatross. Largest volcano, Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Largest stadium in the world, Strahow, Prague, Kazakh Republic, 2,20,000 capacity. Largest platform, Grand Central Terminal, New York, USA. Largest cinema house, Roxy, New York. Largest cinema houses. Largest museum in the world, Museum of Natural History, New York, USA. 3 question is largest dome, Singapore National Stadium Dome. Largest ocean in the world, Pacific Ocean. Largest plant in the world, Jupiter. Telescope, largest empty Palometer, USA. Largest flower in the world, Rafflesia javea. Most important question. 38 question, Airbus largest double decker A. Largest forest in the world, Amazon. Largest zoo by species, Berlin Zoological Garden. Zoo by area wise, Red MC Combus. Wildlife Texas, USA. Largest glacier in the world, Lambert Glacier. Largest landlocked country, Mongolia. Largest oil refinery is Abadan, Iran. Largest ship builder, Glasgow. Largest stock exchange, New York, USA. Largest potato production, Russia. Largest army, People Republic of China. Largest university is University of California, USA. Largest seaport, New York seaport. Largest prize, Nobel Prize, $1 million. Largest museum country, largest internet search engine, Google. Muslim country area wise, Kazakhstan. Muslim country population wise, Indonesia. Largest solar energy user, Germany. Largest car manufacturer, General Motor, USA. Bicycle, largest bicycle manufacturer, Hero Cycles, Ludhiana, India. Largest budget is USA. Most important question. Largest fort in the world, Ranikot, Sindh, Pakistan. Largest battleship, USS Missouri. Bank by assessed, Industrial Commercial Bank, China. Largest oil exporter, Saudi Arabia. Largest oil consumer, USA. 64 question is largest oil in the world, Gohar oil field, Saudi Arabia. Largest natural gas reservoir, Russia. Producer of carpet, Iran. Largest producer of cheese, USA. Producer of cotton, China. Producer of heat, China. Producer of steel, China. Producer of rice, China. Producer of silk, China. Producer of tea, Bangladesh. Producer of jute, Australia. Producer of gold, South Africa. Largest producer of oil, Saudi Arabia. Producer of tobacco, largest, China. Producer of copper, Chile. Producer of silver, Mexico. Largest producer of rubber, Malaysia. Largest producer of diamond, South Africa. Largest producer of electricity, USA. 84 question is producer of sugar, Brazil. Largest producer of tea consumer, Turkey. Largest producer of arms supplier, USA. Arms importer largest is India. Largest fish catching country is China. Largest food company is Nestle company. Largest forest area is Russia. Largest herb, banana. First religion, Christianity. Second largest religion is Islam. Country of Africa, Sudan. Artificial lake, Volta, Ghana. Coast of Canada. Largest coast is Canada.